Imagine knowing your child has a rare disease that will slowly destroy all the muscles in their body. Now imagine there's a new treatment for it, but it is so expensive you would never be able to afford it. That is the story of this next family who can see the miracle they need, and yet it is just out of reach.
Tell me about your daughter.
Oh, she's amazing. I would do anything for her.
Julia Gall's daughter, Sophia, was born 3 years ago. She was her parents' dream. But shortly after her first birthday, a nagging fear started to grow. She wasn't walking. And then came the devastating diagnosis. She had type 3 SMA, spinal muscular atrophy, a rare genetic disorder. SMA is taking its toll. That's not a typical fall. It's a sign the disease is destroying her muscles. Sophia's parents know what's next, a continual degeneration and then a wheelchair. They've been warned she may need one by kindergarten. She starts in September.
Just the idea that our baby girl is, not gonna walk.
They have lived in despair this past year, but incredibly, there is now hope. The very first treatment for SMA, a drug just approved in the United States in December. It's called Spinraza, and it is nothing short of a miracle for desperate parents. Clinical trials show an overwhelming success in halting, even reversing muscle damage, and parents are grasping onto hope. And no wonder. Look at this video of a child posted on an SMA website who couldn't sit up or walk, now taking these steps after getting Spinraza. This is what Sophia's parents are clinging to. This is what hope looks like.
She still has such a good chance to at least stay the way she is. That's all I want. I don't want her to get worse.
But with hope comes heartache. Sophia can't get Spinraza. It hasn't been approved by Health Canada, which could take months. And if approved, the cost is crushing. $750,000 US just in the first year of treatment. $375,000 after that. Every year for life. Hope is so close, and yet so far.
It's just the time. I don't have time to worry. She doesn't have time. None of the kids or adults with SMA have the time to wait for a treatment.
And coming up, I'm going to introduce you to another family who has a child with SMA. He was only given 2 years to live. He's now 17, and I actually did a story on him 10 years ago. So I'm going to revisit him to see how he's doing. And by the way, he is getting the drug Spinraza.